Prime factorisation means to write a number out as the product of all the prime numbers that it breaks into. So the first thing we need to know here is obviously what the prime numbers are. Remember, the prime numbers are numbers that don't divide by anything apart from themselves and 1. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. You won't very often need to go beyond that in these questions. So what we do is we write the number out as a sort of ladder, and we start with the first prime number and we divide by that as many times as we can. So 720 divides by 2 to give me 360, that divides by 2 to give me 180, that divides by 2 to give me 90, and that divides by 2 to give me 45. Now 45 doesn't divide by 2. So now I've taken all the 2's out, so I move on and I try 3's. 45 divides by 3 to give me 15, which divides by 3 to give me 5, which doesn't divide by 3 anymore, so I've taken all the 3's out, so I move on to give 5. 5 divides by 5 to give 1. Now you must get right the way down to 1. It's a common mistake that people will stop here and say 5 doesn't divide by anything, so I'm finished. You must get all the way down to 1. And then if you take all the numbers you've got on this side, these are the numbers that would times together, the prime numbers that would times together to give us 720, and you can double check it on your calculator. So we've got 4 lots of 2, so 2 to the power 4, 2 lots of 3, so 3 squared, times 5. Okay. Pause the calculator, have a go at question 2. And this one should have come out like that. 2 didn't divide into 405 at all, but 3 did. And it divided in 4 times eventually, which took me down to 5, and 5 divided in once. So it was 3 to the 4 times 5.